This is how you cook meat like your ancestors did. No fancy equipment, just you, the fire, and the forest. First, you gotta prep your meat on a clean stone surface. Season it simple: salt, wild herbs, crushed garlic. That's it. Now build your fire hot and let those coals form. Place the meat right over the flames. Listen to that sizzle. Watch those juices drip into the fire. The smoke gives it flavor you can't get anywhere else. Try this next time you're outdoors and thank me later.